Before working on a vehicle's brakes, attach an appropriate label to the vehicle to prevent accidental actuation of the brake caliper while it is removed from the hub. Safely raise the vehicle and remove the wheel. Remove the brake pads and caliper, making sure the caliper is located safely away from the rotor. Remove the rotor by unbolting the securing device and sliding it away from the wheel hub. Before installing the new rotor, clean it thoroughly in a component washer to remove any storage preservative agents. Clean any dirt, rust, and debris from the hub mating surface. Secure the rotor to the hub and rotate it by hand to ensure it rotates freely. Refit the brake caliper and disc pads. Apply the brakes several times to readjust the caliper pistons. Refit the road wheel and safely lower the vehicle. Ask your supervisor to check the brake system pedal pressure, fluid levels, and visual signs of leaks. When the supervisor is satisfied, the vehicle should be road tested by a qualified person to ensure the integrity of the braking system.
Hello. Everyone has a business website these days, but few have a business YouTube video that can be embedded into your website. YouTube business videos are the most powerful marketing tools today, yet the most underused. Starting at just $200, MLS Pro Videos can produce your YouTube video starting at just $200. We can use your photos or use stock video footage or come to your place of business and shoot your video in high-def widescreen, including voiceover, music, and much more. Please visit our website and see some videos that we've done at www.mlsprovideos.com or call me at 541-531-3691. Thanks for watching. I am Bill Kiefer. Until next time.
Thank you very much for watching. My name is Bill Kiefer. We are MLSProVideos.com. We do YouTube videos for individuals, events, and business. Again, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, goodbye.